Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the home. In this video, two smart thermostat brands will be going head-to-head. We have the Google Nest Learning Thermostat and the Ecobee Smart Thermostat. Whether you're working remotely and using your space as an office, or a homebody enjoying the comfort of your home, keeping the environment properly ventilated is always among the top priorities. With smart thermostats, you can easily reach your preferred temperature without moving a muscle. As these devices rise in the market, a plethora of innovative designs have emerged. In today's Smart Thermostat review, we have picked two of the wittiest choices: the Google Nest Learning Thermostat, which garnered a 5-badge rating, and its daring competitor, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat, which boasts its 4-badge rating from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com. Whether you're looking for an electrical bill-friendly option or an intuitive assistant, you'll find your best bet in today's brand wars. If you're interested in the other smart thermostats that we reviewed, do check out our Smart Thermostat review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these smart thermostats will be going toe-to-toe with is their ease of installation. To kickstart the refreshment of your atmosphere, you'll have to install smart thermostats in an area where they can properly serve their functions. You also have to make sure that they're situated nearby a power source to continuously provide comfortable ventilation. Thermostats often need a common wire or C-wire that attaches to the heat pump to maintain smart connections all day long. However, our two contenders can be installed even if you don't have a C-wire available. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat includes an extra set of wires called the Power Extender Kit, which you can install as an alternative to the C-wire. With this, you'll only have to attach a few wires to your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning or HVAC control board. On the flip side, Google Nest Learning Thermostat raises the bar with its 95% compatibility with any heating and cooling system. For this option, you can use either heat or W wire, air condition or Y wire, and power or RC and RH wire. Though both of our options are wildly versatile, Google Nest wins this round for its installation, which won't require extra tools or effort. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their energy-saving features. After setting your thermostat in place, it's important to note its energy-saving features to make sure your device is efficient for its worth. By reducing your energy consumption, you can also reduce your carbon footprint and take a step forward towards eco-investing. Google Nest can decrease your heating consumption by 10 to 12% on average, and it can save you about 15% on cooling energy. By activating the Nest Leaf, the device senses the external environment to see if the temperature may be adjusted to a lower setting. But Ecobee is not backing down with its eco features. This option correlates your equipment runtime with your local weather conditions to automatically fine-tune the most adequate temperature at a specific time. With this, you can save up to 26% of energy without manually controlling the device. Our challengers are fierce for this category, but the data suggests that Ecobee is our winner with its big energy conservation. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their energy reports. Now that you know how much energy you're saving, energy reports will be delivered the chief details, making sure the energy-saving features are working the way they're supposed to. Google Nest offers data feedback that records your thermostat's activity for up to 10 days. In the report, you can check the times when your temperature changed or was set higher to help you compare your most active periods. Google Nest also sparks your competitive strike by sending a monthly email that summarizes your data usage in contrast to other users. However, Ecobee blows its competitor away with Home IQ, an analysis tool that dives deep into your device usage. With this free feature that you can access on the web, you'll have the system monitor weather impact and home efficiency that'll keep your consumption in check, calculate the local weather's influence on usage, and compare your data towards the fellow users in your area. Unlike Google Nest's email, you won't have to wait an entire month to access your 2-week-long statistics with Home IQ. Both of our bidders have an emerging way of recording the figures, but Ecobee's extensive reports won this category. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their sensors. Sensors are one of the reasons why a simple thermostat turns smart. Motion sensors take notice of the changes in the environment, including the thermal radiation, while proximity sensors assume if there are people or objects in the area it's meant to cover. These facets will be able to tell if the room is in need of any climate control. Ecobee has been persistent in creating smart sensors that extend the comfortable temperature to adjacent rooms, and it's also highly intuitive of doors and windows left open, pausing the heating and cooling automatically. EcoPlus tops it off with the adaptive technology that caters to your routine. If you and your family, friends, or pets hang out in a specific area at a specific time, Echo Plus makes sure that the ventilation is focused on that space. In recent years, Google Nest tried to catch up in this race by adding innovative sensors. Their best bet is a temperature sensor that consistently heats and cools the entire room according to the current ventilation of your external environment. Like Ecobee, it also takes notice of windows and doors left open, as well as the amount of sunlight in the room's perimeter. After frequent use of the device, Google Nest learns your preferences from how you manually set the temperature. However, it doesn't have the occupancy sensor that automatically prioritizes your favorite hangout spot. For a smart thermostat that follows you around, Ecobee got you covered. Its user-friendliness and convenient temperature condition took home this category's medal. The fifth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their smart home integration. Now it's understandable that it's a bit unmotivating to move around once you find a comfortable spot. Thankfully, the smart home integration system will let you control the device without touching it directly. This can range from Apple HomeKit compatibility, smart vent connectivity, and if this then that settings. Both Google Nest and Ecobee use voice control for smart home integration. For Google Nest, you can activate it with Google Home and Amazon Alexa for quick voice commands, but it won't let you connect with Apple HomeKit, so you won't be able to use your Siri. Ecobee, on the other hand, allows access to all three. You can also integrate it seamlessly with other applets such as IFTT. Due to the vast integration methods you can try with Ecobee, we're giving it yet another point. The sixth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their geofencing. It's easy for occupancy sensors to assume that they should turn off the device while you're away, but if you need it to stay on for your stationary pets and plants, or if you'd like to avoid buildup of humidity or frost, geofencing is a feature to look out for. This facet utilizes radio frequency identification, Wi-Fi, or GPS, so you can control your device's activity even when you're miles away. With Ecobee and its free app, you can configure the geofencing feature in only 15 minutes from the convenience of your phone, anytime, anywhere. Google Nest won't let Ecobee advance that easy though. Google Nest's geofencing is partnered by their temperature sensors and schedule learning program to increase the device's ability to change settings automatically. It also packs another strong punch with multiple device connections that compete with Ecobee's one smartphone per device policy. Though these two contenders have an excellent geofence, Google Nest claims the crown with its accessible controls that are open for multiple users. We've finally arrived at the end of the heated debate between the Google Nest Learning Thermostat and the Ecobee Smart Thermostat. Though Google Nest earned a perfect score in our first review, its 2-point victory is surpassed by Ecobee's 4-point streak. With a dedication to energy saving and intuitive controls, Ecobee came back stronger than ever. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Google Nest Learning Thermostat and the Ecobee Smart Thermostat has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next Smart Thermostat face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our home great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShopify.com again soon.